Be Mobile Auto. So it's another detailing job. It's a really cold morning in Vancouver. It snowed quite a bit last night. As you can see, the roads are all pretty slick. It's almost like, I would say, 2 or 3 inches of snow out here. But we had some appointments. It's not snowing right now, so we decided that we're going to go and honor the appointments that we had fixed with one of our clients. They needed mold treatment, so we've just loaded up the van with all the equipment. We're going to take the van this time instead of the truck because the van has snow tires, so a little safer for us to drive around the place. We loaded it up and we are ready to go to the customer's location. I'll show you what we're doing at the customer's location once we reach there. Thanks. We have just reached the client location in Langley. As you can see, a lot of snow. The car is pretty much snowed in. So what we're going to do is we're going to first run a snow blower to make sure that we clear up all the snow. The client has requested us to also help them clear the snow with the snow blower, so we'll be doing that. And then after that, as you can see, I'll show you the inside of the car. There's quite a bit of mold. We need to get rid of all the stuff. It's under the seats. It's on the seats. We'll be doing a deep steam cleaning of this entire car to make sure all the mold is taken care of. It's also there in the trunk here. So this is going to be a job which is going to take at least 3 or 4 hours in the snow, and we're going to get this started with, and hopefully in some time we're going to in maybe 3 or 4 hours we're going to have the car totally clean. So the first step we're going to do is, so that we can get access to all the doors more easily, we're going to start, you can see the doors are pretty much small in here. So we're going to be first using a snow blower to clear out the entire driveway, and then after that we'll move the car and have the cleaning process. But just to let you know, this is how we help our clients clear out their driveway during the snow, as well as as long as it's not actually snowing, we try to make sure we keep our appointments and don't keep our clients hanging. It's most important that we do that, and rain or snow, DNB Mobile Auto can come to your house and take care of all your automobile needs. I'll try to take another video after we are done with the job, but meanwhile we're going to start working, and hopefully you guys will like our videos. Again, it's DNB Mobile Auto located. We service the Surrey and Langley areas. Phone number is 604-518-6684. You can click the link after the end of the video. Thanks. So guys, this is after the entire cleaning. Same car, which is a Chevy Cobalt. You can see all the mold is gone. There are no traces of mold anywhere. The customer is very happy. He felt that the technician did a very good job, and we're glad that we took care of this problem for this customer. We have a clean car that is healthy, and there's no traces of mold anywhere. Another successful job at DNB Mobile Auto Repair. If you need your car detailed, please call us 604-518-6684. We come to your house and do it out of your driveway, whether it's snowing or whatever the weather may be. Thanks.